to my channel. For today's video I will show you how to transfer money from Coins.ph to Gcash. At Kung Bago Ka sa channel ko, please do subscribe, push the bell, to be updated for our new upload. So, please stay and watch till the end of this video to follow the step-by-step process of transferring Coins.ph to Gcash without transfer fee. Without further ado, let's start. Let's open Coins.ph application. As you can see, I have 314.52 on my Coins.ph. This is what I'm going to transfer to my Gcash account. Click Send. And then select Send to an e-wallet. Select Gcash. Enter the amount you like to transfer. In this case, I'm going to transfer all my balance. As you can see, there is two types in transferring, the InstaPay and the Pesonet. So let's discuss the difference of this two. InstaPay means you will receive the money instantly. In Pesonet, this is free transfer, means you will receive the money without less, but you will receive the money by 11:59 p.m. In this case, I will select Pesonet for free transfer fee. Enter the amount. And then next. Enter Gcash account name. Enter Gcash mobile number. If the details is okay, then click Next. Review and confirm. So, the transaction information for the fee is free. Slide to pay. Enter the verification code, so we need to go to our Gmail account and then copy the code. Paste the code, then click Submit. Payment sent. We just need to wait for that transaction to be completed. As you can see, my balance now is 0. 2 hours later, I have received a message that the money was already sent and received by my Gcash account. Let's now open Gcash application to check if the money was received. Select Activity. If you see I have received transaction from DCPay, means this is from Coins.ph. That's all. So easy and fast. I hope you learned from this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.